So welcome to All About Symbian's coverage of the Smartphone Show 2008. Rafe's here. Say hello, Rafe.
Hi guys.
Say hello, Ewan.
Hi everyone, welcome to the show.
And there are some great video interviews and features coming up. Here's one right now. Okay, so I'm here with Michael Sheen from Skyhook. Would you like to just say what your company does?
Yeah, again, Michael Sheen, Vice President of Business Development at Skyhook Wireless. And what Skyhook does is Wi-Fi location technology.
Okay.
So we enhance GPS to enable location-based services on devices that have Wi-Fi.
Okay, and this is obviously new to Symbian. What are you announcing today in terms of your capabilities?
Today we've announced a partnership with Symbian to bring Wi-Fi location to Symbian 9.5. So future versions of Symbian will have our location technology as part of their location framework, which will enable Wi-Fi location as well as GPS.
And that will come out as automatic. Every device with 9.5 will automatically have Skyhook built in.
Well, it's integrated into all of Symbian now, but each of the device makers actually have to form a partnership with Skyhook to enable that on their phones.
Okay. And would you like to introduce the guy next to you? And
yes.
Introduce yourself.
My name's Lachlan Spollen. I'm from Tagggit.
Okay.
I'm one of the founders of Tagggit, and we've actually integrated Skyhooks into our application, which is now running on Symbian, Symbian's N95.
Okay, and we can have a hands-on demo of that in a minute?
Yeah.
We'll do it in a moment.
I have to go find my phone.
Okay, can you just explain briefly for our viewers how Skyhook works?
Yeah, so Skyhook has built a platform of Wi-Fi access points, and these are both public and private access points. So it could be the one at the Starbucks or perhaps even at your home.
Yep.
And we built a massive database by driving. So we have drivers that drive quite literally every single street around the world. And once that's done, we can then use those access points to produce location. So we can produce a latitude and longitude using Wi-Fi. And what we believe is our technology will help to enable what we call consumer-ready location. Location that's very accurate and very fast for users.
Okay, how does the database stay updated?
So we repetitively drive, so it's a recurring process of going out every 12 to 18 months to enable that database to stay fresh. But in between those drives, we also get data through usage. So every iPhone that's on the market today has our technology. And as users do a location lookup, we get a snapshot of the Wi-Fi signal around that user. And we can use that snapshot to find new access points or relocate other access points.
Yeah, so it's self-healing effectively.
To some degree, yes.
Yeah, that's really clever. And I presume that when a Symbian user uses it in, say, 6 months' time, the same self-healing will
That's exactly
happen.
right.
Okay.
That's exactly right.
That's very clever. I have used it on the iPod Touch and iPhone, and I'm very impressed. One of our questions was from Ewan Spence, who says, what if I want my Wi-Fi point not to be in your database? Can I selectively remove it?
Well, you can turn it off. That's the easiest answer. But Wi-Fi is unlicensed spectrum, so if you choose to turn it on, it broadcasts itself.
Yeah.
Again, we're not connecting to any of these access points. We're using them as a beacon for the purpose of location.
If someone has their Wi-Fi network set as hidden SSID, do you still use it?
Well, we actually use MAC address, which is a little different. It's BSSID.
Okay.
Basically, what the MAC address is a unique identifier for each access point. So even if it's hidden, that MAC address is available.
Okay. That's cool. All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
We create a tag, so basically just say where you are.
Yeah.
So we just say hide. You can send it. So you want to put a keyword in here and just say hi again. It's easy. Now you can share it with. You can decide who you want to share it with. Everybody. A private tag is only me, so no one else can see it. So you really want to basically tag where you left your car, so you can find your way back to it. Your friends, share it with your friends or one of your communities.
Okay.
So I'm going to just share this, but only me. It's a private tag.
Okay. So it's like a social geo-aware network. Yeah.
So you could just say where you are, or you could basically say, hey, there's good coffee here, or you can say, hey, I'm gonna have a pint here. I'll meet you here later. That kind of idea.
Okay. Is this Tagggit is it the very first Symbian application to use Skyhook?
I believe so. Yeah.
Which is the significance of this announcement. Yeah.
And Skyhooks, it's pretty amazing. Like I think it's as accurate as GPS. Well, what I've seen of it is as accurate as GPS, especially around London. Not in the main commercial area, even in residential areas around London, we've tested, and we see accuracy within probably 10 to 15 feet, and within 2 seconds we're getting a fix. And whereas basically it can take up to 2 to 3 minutes to get a fix on an N95. The use of Skyhooks for something like Tagggit makes Tagggit viable.
Okay.
And it makes it a reality.
Yeah. All right. Thanks very much. So, Michael, I guess the answer is that Skyhook and GPS go together to complement each other in terms of coverage.
That's right. They complement each other very well. Where GPS is weakest, Skyhook is strongest, which is indoors and in urban areas. And where Wi-Fi positioning is weakest, in rural areas, GPS works great. So they work very well together.
And so 2009 should be the year we start to see Skyhook come into real world products.
That's right. It's the year of Skyhook in 2009.
All right. Thanks very much.
Okay.